Never, never, ever trust a skinny chef. Make sure they look like this, nice and fluffy.
Greetings, Earthlings, Space Cadets, Freakazoids, all my misfits from around the world. Welcome to A Space for Three. Today, we're headed to Montross, Virginia to check out some picking and grinning. It's this really neat antique shop full of vintage stuff. So I invite you all to come along as we go track this space. Cheers.
All right, y'all, here we go. Picking and grinning antiques. We buy anything at a reasonable price. Let's go take a look inside.
Put it on video.
Okay.
That's my wife over
Hello,
there.
you.
All right, y'all. So after meeting the owners and given permission to film, we begin with this beautiful vintage Indian motorcycle. Take a look at this beauty. And look right over here, we have another Indian with a sidecar, some form of STP mechanic. And over here, we got the famous Beatles, Paul, John, George, and Ringo. Come together right now.
Nicest grill you ever seen.
Oh, wow.
Oh, cool. Awesome.
That is great.
All right.
Look at that.
I was not expecting that. Are you serious?
That's the holy water.
This is original.
The Bibles from the 1800s from Transylvania. It's a Dracula Kill Kit.
Oh, wow. How'd you find it?
We went to Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania or Transylvania?
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania.
But they asked us, were we interested in one? Of course, yeah. It took us like 3 years later. They asked us, well, they called us and told us that, hey, we finally got it for you. So we went out and picked it up, and we've had it ever since.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
How much are you selling it for?
It's not the same.
Oh.
We have a $20,000 offer with whoever sell it. And then we had the Bible checked out from the 1800s. It's uncut version, obviously. And the gentleman that looked at the Bible and said, don't sell it. He goes, the Bible's probably worth it. I'll play a song, and the second verse, it's got brass and all on it, too. It's beautiful.
Check it out, y'all. It's the Blues Brothers. Look at this plane up in here. This is like that plane from that guy that sang Country Road, Take Me Home. Y'all remember that? And imagine being a scuba diver wearing this heavy gear back in them days. Take me home to a place I belong. Sing it.
I found a kissing booth, y'all. Look who's in it. Is it Superman? No, it's Ronald Reagan. Is it Superman or Ronald Reagan? Comment below, let me know. It's Dolly, y'all. Found Dolly.
And look, creepy dolls. Check out this room, y'all. Ooh, don't know about this. Let's get out of here.
Look, y'all, it's Medusa. Check out all the camera gear. Old school radios.
And look, we got some vinyl. Phil Collins, Steve Miller Band. And this is the RCA Records Doggy. And the legendary number 32 Chicago Bulls, Michael Jordan. Yo, is this supposed to be Prince? Because he looks more like Little Richie to me. Or maybe The Weeknd's father or something.
El burrito sabanero. He's missing his sábanas.
Well, howdy, partner. Look, it's a big boy. And a Harley Davidson bicycle. Ain't that cool?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Look at all these cool vintage signs. And for all of my Southern Belle ladies, let's take them to church now. Look, it's one of them wind-up record players.
Antique bingo sign. Check out the rocking horse, y'all. Old school. That's real old. Nothing but antiques everywhere.
All right, y'all, there you go. Picking and grinning right here, Montross, Virginia. Really neat spot. Really cool place with lots of antiques, lots of collectibles, lots of vintage stuff. So if that's your thing, make sure you stop by and pay them a visit. With that being said, make sure you like, subscribe, ding the bell, all that good stuff. And don't forget to see new places, meet new faces, and always leave a space for love. Peace.